everyone, I wanted to show you my first weekend open at my roadside flower stand. This is my second year selling flowers, and this year I decided to try and grow ranunculus, which we had our ups and downs, but look how beautiful they are when they are finally blooming. These are the Amandine pastel mix. They are just so beautiful. And these ones right here, they're actually the Telecoat Cafe. And fun fact, they were supposed to be white, but the wrong ones were unfortunately sent to me. But nonetheless, these ranunculus were beautiful, and I was really hoping I could match them with something to sell at my roadside flower stand. So I have been keeping an eye on them all week, trying to figure out what I could pair them with, and luckily my parents' lilacs were blooming much later than everyone else's, so my hope was to use them this week. So luckily they survived 2 days of straight rain, and they were the perfect thing to add to my bouquets. So my son and I on Friday went over and took all of my parents' lilacs and plopped them into the garage with some burning bush and some more lilac foliage. And then here are just a few of the ranunculus that I did pick from my garden. So here I took some lilacs, 3 ranunculus, some burning bush branches, and I also took some other lilac foliage as well to make these arrangements. And I was quite pleased, even though the lilacs were a little bit flimsy and not as sturdy as they have been in years past. But nonetheless, I feel like this was great for a little taste of spring, and they just smelled so wonderful. Now, I didn't have a ton of lilacs or anything else to really go with these Telecoat Cafe, so I used a bunch of burning bush branches just to give it a little extra something, and some were still flowering, so I thought this was a nice little touch of greenery to go with these ranunculus, and those flew off the shelf, and I was so stinking happy, especially because I was supposed to have white, so it was a nice little happy mix-up. So here's my flower stand. I had 9 arrangements. I also gave away some free seeds, and I also had some Rebecca starts that overwintered. I had too many, so I sold those as well at the stand, and we opened up at 9 o'clock. And here it is fully set up. I'm just so thrilled to have something, and I would just share on social media that I had some flowers out today. I came back home from a birthday party at 12:30, so 3.5 later, all of my arrangements were sold out, along with some starts. So that is a happy first weekend open, and I thank you so much for joining me. Happy gardening. Bye.